Hello students. In ninth topic current electricity, in last lecture we have seen potentiometer and its principle. Potentiometer is a device which helps to measure the potential difference between any two points in the circuit. There are some uses. One is to compare the EMF of cells, and second one is to find internal resistance of a cell. We will see the first application or use to compare EMF of cells. Comparison of EMF of cells is done by two different methods. One of them is method 1, suppose individual method. By using individual method, we can compare EMF of cells. To compare EMF of cells by individual method, this is the circuit diagram in which a source of electricity or a cell of EMF E with a key K and a rheostat RH are connected between the 2 points A and B on the potentiometer wire, such that the point A is at higher potential. This positive means it is of higher potential, and negative terminal means it is at lower potential. And the two cells of EMF E1 and E2, which we are going to compare. Two cells are connected such that the positive terminals of both the cells are connected to point A on potentiometer wire, and the negative terminal of both the cells are connected to two keys. One is key 1 and other is key 2. Cell of EMF E1 is connected to K1, and E2 is connected to key K2, and make the other terminal of keys common, and that from that common terminal connect one terminal of galvanometer, and other terminal of galvanometer is connected to the jockey, by which we can make a connection with wire AB. And by using this connection, we can find the null point in the galvanometer. Null point means what? This galvanometer pointer shows zero deflection, or we can say null deflection. At that point, we will get null point on wire AB of potentiometer. Now we will start the working of potentiometer for comparison of EMF. first key 1 is kept closed and key 2 is kept open. As soon as key 1 is closed, then a cell of EMF E1 is come in contact with circuit, or E1 is in circuit. Now obtain the null point by using this jockey, by touching this jockey at various points on wire AB of potentiometer. Suppose the null point is at this point. Then suppose in this case L1 be the length of wire between the null point and the point A, null point and point A. And now the EMF of cell E1. From principle of potentiometer we can write E1 is equal to K into L1, as EMF means potential difference or potential is directly proportional to length of wire, and K is the potential gradient. Suppose this is equation 1. Now keep K1 is open and K2 is closed. As soon as K2 is closed, then cell of EMF E2 is come in contact or in circuit. Suppose the galvanometer now is at this point. Suppose by touching this jockey at various point on AB, wire AB, we get null point at this point. Suppose the length between point A and the null point is L2. L2 is the length between the null point and the point A in second condition, suppose when K2 is kept closed and K1 is open. So EMF of cell E2 or EMF of second cell E2 is given by principle of potentiometer. By using principle of potentiometer we can write E2 is equal to K into L2. Suppose this is equation 2. Now dividing equation 1 by equation 2, or we can write comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So E1 by E2 is equal to K L1 K L2. Okay, so KK gets cancelled and we get E1 by E2 is equal to L1 by L2. Thus we have compared EMF of both the cells by using potentiometer by individual method. by individual method. This was comparison of EMF of cells by using individual method. So, thank you students.